Hello everyone, this video is for class 10th aspirants. Physics practical. The aim of this experiment is tracing the path of a ray of light passing through a rectangular glass slab for different angle of incidence and measure the angle of incidence, angle of refraction, angle of emergence and then interpret the result. Now the apparatus required are rectangular glass slab. This is a rectangular glass slab. You can easily see the phenomena of refraction in it. So we know that what is refraction whenever light ray passes from one medium to another medium. Now we can clearly see that this medium is air, and here in this the medium is made up of glass. After that the medium is again air. So we will check one by one then what will happen when the light ray passes through the rectangular glass slab. So what we have to do is, first of all we should have to take a replica of this rectangular glass slab like this. So we have taken a replica of this rectangular glass slab. Now choose any point over here. इस पॉइंट पे रखकर आपको क्या करना है, प्रोटेक्टर को रखना है and you have to draw a normal because we know that all the angles are measured from the normal. So we draw 90 degree. We draw this normal by dotted lines. So this is what normal NN. Now we can vary the angle. We know that the angle of incidence is measured from the normal. So we can draw an angle like this. For example, we are searching for 40 degree. You can vary the angle according to your. Now I will draw a line. This line is known as the incident ray. This is incident ray, and we know that the angle formed by the incident ray and the normal is known as angle of incidence. This is I, and I is angle of incidence. Clear? Here in this case we are using angle I is equals to 40 degree. Now what we have to do is just put two pins over here on this line, on this incident line, incident ray. यहाँ पे हम दो पिन्स को इंसर्ट कर रहे हैं. फर्स्ट पिन लाइक दिस एंड सेकेंड like this. Clear? Now what I will do, I will put this rectangular glass slab here again. अब मैं इस साइड से इन दोनों पिन्स की इमेज को ऑब्जर्व करूंगा कि मुझे कहाँ पे दिख रही है. I will show you. Wait. Now you can see that two pins can be easily seen from here. Now एक के पीछे एक आ रही है, यानी ओवरलैप कर रही है. अब मैं क्या करूँगा, तो मैं यहाँ से देख कर इसे ऑब्जर्व कर रहा हूँ एंड आई विल पुट द पिन्स in the same line. In the first point I got this and the second, जहाँ पे चारों पिन्स आपकी ओवरलैप कर रही हो. Now this is, now I will show you that how it looks like. So you can clearly see that four pins are in the same line. Now I will join, I will remove these pins and जो पॉइंट्स मुझे मिले हैं मैं इनको ज्वाइन कर दूंगा यहाँ से. अब ये हमें कौन सी रे मिली है, दिस रे इज इमर्जेंट रे. This is emergent ray and I know that the angle is formed from the normal. So I will draw a normal to this point like this. This is normal, 90 degree. This normal is n dash, n dash, n dash. Clear? And the angle formed by the emergent ray and this normal is known as E, where E is angle of emergence. After that, I will join these two lines. Now we can remove the pins. And we can easily measure this angle. This angle is angle R, and angle R is angle of refraction. Angle of refraction. So clearly we have observed that angle I is equals to 40 degree. Now what about angle E? Now clearly we have observed that angle E is 40.5 degree. This angle E comes out to be 40.5 degree, and angle R is 25 degree. Now what we have to do is we have to prepare a table. Now we have prepared an observation table. Now serial number 1, angle of incidence was 40 degree, angle of refraction was 25 degree, and the angle of emergence is 40.5 degree. So we can see that I minus E is 0.5 degree. This is mod of I minus E. So you can easily calculate by varying these angles as 30 degree and 60 degree. So you can clearly observe that this angle of emergence will be nearly 30 degree, 60 degree. Then tell me in the comment section that what was the value of angle of refraction in these case. So this is the whole practical of tracing the path of ray of light through a rectangular glass slab. If you like this video, share it, subscribe it, and thanks for watching.